Are you getting a missing DLL file error on Windows 11? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the safest and easiest ways to fix this step by step. Just follow carefully, and your problem should be fixed. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Install DirectX. First, open any browser and search for DirectX Download. Click on the official Microsoft website. This is completely safe. Now click Download. The file will download quickly. Once downloaded, open it. Setup window will appear. Select I accept the agreement. Click Next. Make sure to deselect Install the Bing bar, then click Next again. Next again. Now wait for the installation to complete. This installs missing DirectX runtime components, which often fix DLL errors. After it finishes, restart your PC. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the issue is still there, don't worry. We'll move to the next method. Method 2. Scan and repair system files. Click on the search and type CMD. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type sfc/scano, press Enter. This command will scan all protected system files, replace corrupted or missing files automatically. Wait for the scan to finish. After that, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter again. This command scans the Windows image for corruption and repairs any issues it finds. Once completed, restart your computer. If the error still appears, we'll try the final method. Method 3. Manually download the missing DLL. Open your browser and search for dllfiles.com. Then open first site, dll-files.com. Now here. In the search bar, type the exact name of the missing DLL file shown in your error message, and click on Search DLL Files. Scroll down and then select the correct file from the results. Again, scroll down and download the latest version that is suitable for your window architecture. After downloading, click Open File Now. Extract the file using 7-zip or WinRAR. Right-click and choose Extract here. After extracting, move the DLL file to your desktop. Now go to C drive, Windows, System 32. Copy the DLL file from your desktop and paste it into the System 32 folder. If prompted, click Continue. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, your DLL file error should now be resolved. It should now be working perfectly. If you still face any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.